You bought a new PC and now you must assign the license to this new computer. See in the next minutes how to do that.
If you have a new computer and you want to run Finale on it, you must assign the license to the new computer. This cannot be done from the program. This setting can only be done from the Finale homepage. So, please open an internet browser of your choice and open the site finale3d.com. Then click on the login link and register with your Finale credentials. After a successful login, go again to the My Account section. This time, click on Machine Activations. When the page appears, simply click on the red button Reset All Machine Assignments. When this is done, the first computer that is starting Finale will get the first license, so you should start it with your new computer. Finale only allows you to change the computer 12 times a year.